6 ways to make money this year in cryptocurrency. Do you want to make money in cryptocurrency? As cryptocurrency has been already legalized in India now. Government has put income tax on that on 30%. So it's become legal. So how to make money? You must be wondering how I can make money. There are 6 different ways to make money in cryptocurrency. Now let me tell you, my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal and I will help you now to let you know what are the different ways you can make money in cryptocurrency, and all these ways I am also right now making money. The first one is called ICO. What is ICO? It's initial coin offering. Now you must be knowing about the share market. When the new share comes, first is IPOs. So people who buy it in a pre-IPOs, and then when it comes on the exchange, the price increases and they make money. Now same way in coins also there is a ICOs. Coin they call it, sometimes they call it tokens. This comes, you buy it before it is launched on the exchanges. So you start very low price, and by the time it reaches to the exchange, sometime the price become 10 times, 20 times and 100 times. I recently bought a coin for 1 rupees, and within 2 months it has already become 20 rupees. By the time it goes into the exchange, they say it will be 600, but if I think if it is 100 rupees also, I'll make a lot of money. Right or wrong? So ICO is one of the ways to make money. Second thing most of the people do is they do trading in cryptocurrency. Now doing trading in cryptocurrency is very, very risky. Very, very risky. If you don't know how to do it, you may lose all your money. Now we have people who gives us a very good tips, and when we work on the tips, we make money most of the times, and they charge us normal commissions on their tips. If they make money, they also make money, you also make money. This is one of the best way to do cryptocurrency marketing and trading. Now some people are trying to do with the robo trading. That is very, very dangerous. Sometime you may lose all your money in the robo trading. So with the right tips, you can make good money. People make from 10% to 150% to 200% in a month. So this is also a way to make money. Now third way, which I love it, called staking. Now what is staking? You buy a coin initially, like ICO, and then don't sell it on the exchange when it comes out. You hold it. There's a time period for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You hold it there. The companies gave you some ROI on your amount which you invested till the time you put the coin into the exchange and sell it. Now mostly what happens, if you hold a coin for 1 year and you have bought at the very lowest price in the beginning, you make maybe 10-fold, 20-fold, 100-folds. It depends on the coin to coin. Now again, there may be many coins there which is only false coins. You have to be very careful to select the coins and invest money. Now this is called staking. Then there is another one called liquidity pool. Now these liquidity pools are, it is a technical thing which you may not understand. It liquidity pool, you invest money in the pool, so whenever the transaction happens in that particular coin, you get a part of it. Now this is just one of the safest but lowest making money. You can make 70 to 100% in a year from your investment. This is called liquidity pool. Then the most important one is make your portfolio. Like in share market, we make a portfolio. You make a portfolio of 10 or 20 coins in a very systematic manner and put it there, and when the prices increases, if you want, you can sell out some of them and book your profit, and when it comes down, buy again and keep the portfolio. Now this is in the coin portfolio. This is the safest way to make money, but you need to have a patience. You need to keep the coin for a long time. Now in 2017-18, Bitcoin was only 20,000. From $20,000 it came down to $3,000. Many people have sold their Bitcoins. Now again it went up to 65,000. Those people who hold it, they make money. So again, portfolio is very, very important. Now the last and the most important one, very interesting one, called meme coin. These coins are very, very small coins. And now in very small price coin, you don't need to invest a lot of money there. You need to buy different types of meme coins, and these coins can give you money. If you say, for example, you bought 20 coins, 10 may be totally zero. Out of 10, balance 10, 5 may give you some good profit, and out of rest of the 5, 2 or 3 will give you multiple of incomes. Now this is again a number game. So more you do it, the meme coin is a very small coin. There are different places to purchase it which may not available in the crypto exchanges, many of them. So my friend, these are the 6 ways you can make money in cryptocurrency without risking much. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. If you're really interested in making money in cryptocurrency, join our WhatsApp group, the link below, or go to my website and join the WhatsApp group. We will be posting all the tips and tricks of making money in cryptocurrency. Many more will come. We'll be letting you know. If you're really interested, then sign up on the our WhatsApp groups. Go to my page. There may be 2-3 groups there. Pick up only one. Join only one group where we'll be regularly posting you some more opportunities are coming. Only opportunity you need to be careful of, where many companies nowadays are coming out of in the market. They are coming with the ROI plan, 1%, 2%, 3%, even 5 or 10% per day. Don't get into it. They are the mostly dangerous kind of things. You may lose your complete amount because nobody can give you so much money. There are many things are coming. Be careful. That also will be letting you know in our WhatsApp groups to avoid certain companies. So, avoid certain companies. So my friend, if you really want to make money in cryptocurrency, want to know more about cryptocurrency, join our WhatsApp group, and then we'll see you in the WhatsApp group regularly. And now if you have any friends and family members or somebody interested in cryptocurrency, you pass on this video to them or this message to them, so they can also, if they are interested, they can also join our WhatsApp group. So see you soon personally, and our purpose of this video is to making money together. So sign up right now and see you soon personally. Thank you very much.